patient, with one of your chiropractors. And I was rather desperate at the time.
And what was your reason for seeking care initially?
I think it was, I thought it was sciatica. Very painful. I've had it for over, 3 months. I couldn't get rid of it. So here I am.
And what has your experience been through treatment so far?
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I mean, the first day I came here, it's got a notice outside about did you enjoy your experience? Well, not about enjoy, but it was fine. But it's helped me a lot.
And treatment itself, has that been comfortable for you?
Mostly. Mostly, but obviously you're going to experience a bit of discomfort. But yeah, it's been fine.
And how has it changed what you are now able to do?
I can walk without a walking stick, don't limp so much now, and every time I come, there's always an improvement.
So it's just kind of steady improvement bit by bit by bit.
Yes, yeah, brilliant.
And would you recommend Ben's services to other people?
Yep, I definitely would. But I don't like sharing it. That's